What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Jazz. If you are new here, welcome. If you are not new here, welcome back. I'm coming at you guys with another video today. We are in a little bit of a different setting because today I'm going to show you guys my wash routine, and I am also going to show you the full shrinkage of my hair, of my locks. So typically when you see me guys in my videos, I do have stretched hair typically, for the most part. That's just how I wear my hair usually. I just prefer to like stretch it a little bit in some way, form, or fashion. But today I'm going to show you guys the true shrinkage, like the full extent of my shrinkage. I think I want to start documenting it more just because I feel like it gives me like the full story of like my growth, and I can like compare it to how it shrunk in the beginning, how it's shrinking now, and how it's shrinking in the future, just so I can have a more complete story of like how my hair is changing. I can also show you guys the full story of my hair, how my hair is changing, how it's shrinking, growing, changing, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my wash method. I did post a video a few months back about my first wash day. Not much has changed really. I typically still do the same method, the braid and band method. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys an updated video of what I do for my wash day, and then we're gonna look at the shrinkage of my hair. So yeah, stay tuned, and I will be back at y'all with some footage of me washing my hair.
Alright, so here I'm going to start braiding and banding my hair. It's a pretty simple process, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect or evenly separated or anything. I'm just grabbing chunks of my hair, and then I'm just going to braid it. And then when I finish braiding a chunk of my hair, I'm just going to take an elastic and I'm going to tie it around the end of my hair just to keep the braid together. Without the band at the end, it would come apart, and that's not what we want. So yeah, that's what the purpose of the band at the end of the braid is for, is obviously just to keep it together and make sure that it does not come undone. And then you're just gonna see me complete my hair. I'm not gonna talk you guys through the rest of that. It's pretty, self-explanatory. So I'm gonna let you guys finish the rest of the footage of me braiding my hair, just to see what the process looks like. Alright, so let's get on to the washing part. Here I'm just going to step in the shower, obviously just going to get my hair wet. So I'm just going to hold my head under the shower stream just to get everything fully soaked, fully drenched. Now, a lot of people like to wash their hair in cold water. Now that I don't really like to do. I know it's better for you. But what I do is I wash my hair in with warm water for the first wash. I'll then wash it with warm water for the second wash. And then after that, I will do a cold rinse. So I don't completely wash my hair with cold water, but I will make sure that I do a nice cold rinse. I think that's supposed to help with moisture and locking the moisture in. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my shampoo here. I'm using just the regular Cream of Nature shampoo. I had that left over from when I was still a loose natural. That's the shampoo that I used. It was really good for making sure my hair stayed like moisturized. It wasn't a really drying or stripping shampoo. Now I do know that a lot of people say that for your locks you're supposed to use like a clarifying shampoo. And for my very first wash, I did use a clarifying shampoo, and it was terrible. I hated it. My hair felt like absolute straw. So ever since then, I just stopped using the clarifying shampoo. Now again, I know what everyone says, clarifying shampoo, and I feel you, I hear you. But it just made my hair feel so bad that I felt like for me, it was just a better choice to use a more moisturizing shampoo, or a shampoo that left my hair feeling less stripped. So I did go back to the shampoo that I had left over from, before I started my lock journey. Now, once I finish this bottle, I might try to do some research on some shampoo that's made specifically for locks. Maybe if it's, something that's a little less stripping than clarifying shampoo, but it's still good for my locks. So if you guys have any recommendations for that, just definitely drop them in the comments below. Now here, I'm just making sure to focus on my scalp, of course. I'm not really worrying about the length of the locks. I'm just making sure that I'm really getting the shampoo on my scalp to get like any buildup or dirt that has collected on my scalp. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and speed it up a little bit for you guys. Now I'm about to rinse the hair out. And then I'm going to go ahead and start on my second wash. Like I said, on my second wash, I still do use warm water. And then I'm going to finish off with the cool rinse. Okay, you can see the faces I'm making. You can tell I'm doing the cool rinse. Alright, so that's going to go ahead and wrap it up. And next I'm going to show you guys how it looks when it's shrunken.
Alright guys, just got done with washing my hair. And here's what we got. Next up, I'm just going to take the braids down and oil it, get some oil on it. Then, like I said, because I'm going to show you guys my full shrinkage, I'm not going to like do any twists or braid or anything like that, just so it won't shrink. I'm going to let it air dry. I'm going to go grocery shopping and all that good stuff. And then whenever it is dry, I'm going to come back to you guys. I'm going to show you guys the full shrinkage of my locks right now. So, all right, see y'all later. What's up guys? So I'm back. This is actually about 24 hours later after I washed my hair. I got a little busy yesterday, so I just didn't get a chance to sit down and record again to show you guys what my hair looks like fully shrunken. So here we are with it. This is what I got going on. This is pretty much full shrinkage. This is what my hair looks like when I don't stretch it out in any way, shape, form, or fashion. It is also not really like styled, y'all, so don't blame me, it doesn't look that great, but I just wanted to come here to show you guys what the length looks like. Not so much like, oh, here's my hair beautifully styled. No, this is just me after a wash, no style, just letting it fully air dry to its fully shrunken state. So this is how short it is. This is what we got going on. It's a nice amount shorter than what it looks like when I like do braid outs or twist outs. So this is pretty typical for me. This is how my hair was when I was a loose natural, except for it was even more so shrunken, obviously, because it wasn't twisted or locked. So shrinkage has always just been a part of my life, really. You know, that's one of the main reasons why I did decide to get locks, just because I was kind of tired of so much shrinkage. But I do know that it's just all part of the process. It's a part of the whole locking process, so I'm just trying to embrace it. I am going to try to do these videos more often, like once a month maybe, where I'm showing you guys what my hair looks like in the fully shrunken state at the time, just so I can, like, you know, compare and kind of document, you know, the journey of the shrinkage and how that changes month to month. So yeah, this is what we got. Fully shrunken hair. Alright, yeah, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys, right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, comments, anything at all, of course, leave it in the comments below. And I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye!